Have you ever wondered just how long you can actually go without washing your hair? Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney and I enjoy using tips and tricks from the Curly Girl method to improve the health of my hair. If you want, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell because I have a lot more videos coming and I would love to get to hang out with y'all some more. And if you find this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it. It does help me out. It also lets me know that the video accomplished its purpose and was actually helpful, because that is literally the whole point of this channel. I want to be as helpful as humanly possible if you are considering trying to do the Curly Girl method or have healthier hair overall. But today I thought we would do a really fun experiment, and I guess it won't be just today because I'm gonna see just how long I can go without washing my hair. Now, I know my hair's not gonna look great, and I'm not shooting for perfect defined shiny waves for the next 28 days. Just kidding, it won't be 28 days. I have absolutely no idea how long I'm going to be able to go before, like, it's a sanitation issue and I need to wash my hair. But I thought this would be a fun experiment and something really fun to document, record, and share the results with you guys. Now, all this being said, if you've been hanging out with me for a while here on this channel, you will know that I am oily and greasy. My skin is oily and greasy, and guess what? My scalp is skin and it's oily too. So that has greatly affected my wash day longevity, meaning how many days I get out of a wash day. Usually when people start doing the Curly Girl method, they can go up to a week without washing their hair. While their hair may look a little bit frizzy, their scalp doesn't get dry, and it's actually more beneficial to the hair because you're not stripping off that natural oil quite so much. However, my body did not get the memo, and it produces way too much oil. And I'm having a bunch of thoughts about trying this experiment out. I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work, but this may become a new series here on this channel because I'm thinking that there has been a lot of talk about if you just train your scalp to be less oily, if you co-wash more often, if you wash your scalp less, it will become less oily. Well, I have been doing the Curly Girl method for almost 2 years now. Yeah, almost 2 years. And my hair has not gotten any less oily. I'm not washing it nearly as often as I was before. I'm using much more gentle surfactants and cleansers on it, but I'm still super oily. So for fun, we're gonna see how many days I can go without washing my hair. I'm sorry, this is gonna be a gross video. I will insert a little caveat here. If you have a pre-existing scalp condition and have already communicated with your doctor about how often you need to be washing your hair, aka seborrheic dermatitis issues, this challenge is not condoning going longer without washing your hair. This honestly is just my own personal experiment to see how well I can push myself and to really document what happens the longer I go without washing my hair. I will say in this experiment, I am going to give myself the grace to wash my hair if I absolutely need to. Meaning that if my scalp is just absolutely on fire, it's hurting, I'm not going to keep pushing it if I can tell that it would be detrimental to my scalp health. Does that make sense? All right, all that being said, here is day 1. My roots are doing pretty good. This is what they are looking like, completely cleansed. I did wash my hair with the Giovanni 50/50 Balancing Clarifying Shampoo. I feel like it's just slightly less stripping than the Tea Tree Triple Treat Shampoo from Giovanni. And then I conditioned with the Giovanni Smoothest Silk Conditioner. I applied just a tiny bit of the AG Recoil and then the Giovanni LA Naturals Gel. Diffused, scrunched out the crunch. This is what we're dealing with. I guess I will be back in later to do some check-ins to show you how my hair's doing. I'm a little nervous, guys. I'm a little nervous. All right, guys, day 2. I'm looking real cute. I haven't taken my hair down yet today, but I thought we would kind of do that together. Now, part of the trick to wash day longevity is taking your hair down and then letting it settle. By that, I mean you don't touch it. So my hair's not like laying perfect right now. It's a little wonky, and if I went straight into refreshing, I might cause more problems than if I just left it alone. So I'm gonna start my watch that I don't have on and wait for 15 minutes, and then I'll be right back to then go ahead and refresh. The way I fit this into my day is I actually will take my hair down, go drink a cup of coffee, then come back and do my hair. That kind of a thing. So, BRB after coffee. Alrighty, it has been 15 minutes and you can see that like the links of my hair have kind of found their curl clumps again, but let's see. My roots are not good. They're a little bit frizzy and a smidgen greasy. So to help this wash day last longer, I'm actually gonna go ahead and put some dry shampoo in my hair. It's this little number. The My Hair Dance dry shampoo has quickly become my favorite dry shampoo of all time. And I'm kind of a dry shampoo connoisseur. You get that way when you're greasy. Literally tried them all in the drugstore, all of them, whether they were Curly Girl approved or not. And this one really works well. So I'm just going to get some in my roots and I'm done. I'm ready to walk out the door. I think I've made that joke one too many times. This dry shampoo works best if you go ahead and rub it in immediately. You don't let it just soak. Some dry shampoos do better if you let them soak before you work them in. Not this one. And now I'm just gonna do my root trick where I kind of comb the roots a little bit. All right, and here is day 2. I feel better now about the roots. They look less greasy to me. I really like this dry shampoo because it doesn't make my roots feel gritty, like there's a powder in it, but it gives them like a little bit more volume. Like I can feel the dry shampoo in there, but it's not an annoying gritty texture. So here I am rocking a looser day 2 beachier look. I might try and refresh tomorrow, like with some actual product and water. We'll see, but all right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey there, guys. Okay, so this was day 3, and I really felt the desperate need to refresh. So I decided I had this genius plan. I was going to use warm water in my Flairosol bottle and 1 tablespoon of the Mop Top Custard. The Mop Top Custard is like this beautiful blend of hydrating and kind of a gel, sort of. So I thought that this would make a really fun refreshing spray. So I'm kind of treating this like the My Soigné refreshing spray that I tried out in that One Brand wash day. And I'm just spraying this all over my hair, really making sure to coat it on both sides, flipping my hair all around, and just basically going to town with this spray bottle. I will say that I probably should have done this over my tub, because I did find a refreshing spray on my bathroom floor. Now here I am seeing this knot, this tangle, and it's like pretty bad. So I've worked on it with my fingers and I've gotten it loose, but I decided I was going to try and like smooth that curl clump down with my wet brush. I think it's the Wet Brush Shine. It's got like boar bristles in it. Anyway, that helped. And then I decided to try and spray the middle of my hair and see how that went, because flipping my head from side to side, my top of my head wasn't getting any refreshing spray, and I didn't like that. Oh, and look, I found more tangles, more knots on this side of my head. So I thought, okay, I'll smooth this out with a wet brush and see what happens. And I'm noticing that it helped distribute the product better in my hair. So then I had this genius idea to flip my head over and brush it out while it's barely damp with no conditioner in it on day 3 tangles. I literally have no idea what I was thinking. That took me so much longer than I showed here. I cut out a lot of me bent over brushing my hair out upside down. And I don't know why I brush my hair out upside down. I just do. It seems easier for my hair at this point. I don't know. I'm weird. This refresh, no, just no. But anyway, I got it all brushed out. The Mop Top Custard did have enough slip that I don't think I drastically damaged my hair, but I do not recommend. Do not recommend. So anyway, now I'm just adding more of this Mop Top and Water Refresh Spray to my hair and scrunching it in thoroughly. My hair is much less tangly now, and I kept spraying and spraying and spraying and used nearly the entire bottle on my head, and then decided that that was too much water in my hair. It was going to take too long to dry, and that I needed to micro plop with my Perfect Hair Care towel, which is what I'm doing here. Basically, you just squeeze out the excess water, and then I decided to diffuse and help this dry faster. So I kind of did a combo of hover diffusing and pixie diffusing. All right, guys, good morning. It is day 4 and I'm done. I started out this video kind of wanting to experiment and see how long I could go before my scalp got too mad at me and desperately needed a good cleansing. So I made it to day 4. Yesterday, as you saw from that previous clip, I attempted a refresh, and I did go for a good run that morning. And before I started the run, I did actually put some more dry shampoo kind of in the back of my hair, because on day 2, I did put dry shampoo kind of here in the front and didn't put any back here. That dry shampoo does really help my scalp not itch too terribly badly. So next time, I will probably go ahead and apply dry shampoo to the entirety of my head. That dry shampoo has, how many times can I say dry shampoo? It contains some colloidal oatmeal, which I find to be very effective in anti-itch. At this point, I am now pretty itchy and in desperate need of a good cleanse. Also, I am all over the place. Sorry, guys. Also, that refresh yesterday did not do diddly squat for my hair. I was so bummed out that it didn't. I finished applying all that product and then I diffused to 50% dry, mainly because I was running short on time. Let my hair finish air drying, and as soon as I scrunched out the crunch, it was a stringy, disgusting mess. And I'm not sure if that's because I didn't diffuse long enough, or if maybe it was a little damp when I scrunched out the crunch yesterday. I didn't even get any pictures or any footage of what it looked like. As soon as I scrunched it out, I started finger detangling my hair and basically broke it all up so that it was just big and fluffy, and to me that looked better than stringy. So here is day 4 hair. And that is, yeah, that's it for this video. Oh, also, you may be noticing that there is some confetti in my hair. We may or may not have had a little family fun with the Easter eggs that you can like break and there's confetti inside of them. So that's also in my hair. There is no reason to continue seeing how long I can go without washing my hair at this point. We're stretched out. My hair is feeling real dry at this point. It is in desperate need of some good conditioning, and my roots and scalp are itchy and they feel pretty greasy and gross. Got some good volume. I could potentially continue this experiment. I think I could squeeze another day out of this hair, but I would like to get the confetti out of my hair and go ahead and wash my scalp. So thank you so much for hanging out with me in this experiment. I think this is something I will probably continue to do just to see if there is any validity in the theory that if you start consistently extending your wash days, that they will eventually get better. I know, I'm a terrible curly girl. Up to this point, I have just been washing my hair whenever I feel like my scalp needs it. Whenever my scalp starts to itch, I wash it so that I don't have any scalp issues. I have not been purposefully, forcibly trying to extend my wash days. This is going to try and be some scalp training at this point. People keep telling me that if I would just train my scalp, it would be less oily. So we're gonna try and start doing this. Here's our baseline, 4 days, I'm done. I'll see if I start consistently going 4 days, if on day 4 it feels less gunky and gross. All right, guys, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. If this series seems like fun to you, please comment down below and let me know. But yeah, all right, talk to y'all later. Bye!